But what kind of service can we do with this body? It's a question. By eyes, we can always see the deities. We can always see Vaishnavas. With our ears, we must always hear the glories of Lord Hari, Hari Katha, Krishna Katha. With our mouth, we can do two good things. One is eat Krishna Prasad, and second is we can speak the glories of Lord Hari. Maharaj Amrish, with his hands, even though he was the emperor of the whole world, he has thousands and thousands of lakhs of servants, but he used to clean the temple on his own. He used to clean the temple on his own. It is very difficult that sometimes we find difficult in cleaning our house. Here, we have maids to do the work, so we depend on them. But here, if you see the quality of Maharaj Amrish, that he was the emperor of the whole world and he was cleaning the temple with his own hands. Then, with his legs, he used to travel to holy places like Vrindavan, Mathura, and so many other places. So in this way, he used to engage all his activities in the service of the Lord.